Hello learners, in this video I am going to explain font group and alignment group in Home tab. Through this video I am going to teach how to set a border, how to change a font, how to add a font style, how to add a alignment, and what is wrap test, what is merge and center. These things today you going to learn. Before going to this video, please hit the like button guys and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss another updates. Okay, let's see. I have an example. In this example, I have a heading. The heading is 10th C exam result. I want to center the heading and merge the cell. In this situation, I can use merge and center. Next, I am going to set a border for this data. First, you select the data properly and press borders and select all borders. Next, I move on to the alignment. You select the data and press center alignment. Then you separately select the names, give right alignment. Next, I am going to change the font style. Select the header and press bold. Now I select the title and modify the font. So you can choose any of this. Give underline. You can change the style into italic and increase the font size. You can reduce the font size. Then you can give background color also for the text. Then you can change the font color also. Now you can change the font size in this way also. Alright, next we move on to the new topic wrap test. In this data I need to add another student name. So now I type 16. The name of the student is, it's a long name. The name is Vijay Gopalakrishna Rajan. Okay, now I type the class 10th C. The name is not visible now. So in this situation, you can use wrap test. So you don't need to adjust the row or column. You just click the wrap test. The name is now visible. And you can change the angle of the text also. Select the header and change the angle in the given list. And I hope you like this session and hit the like button guys. It motivates me to make more videos like this. Bye to all. Have a good day.